If equipped, the automatic temperature control system can automatically maintain the comfort levels set by the driver and passenger. The system automatically adjusts the temperature, distribution, and fan speed of your system for a comfortable and consistent temperature even under changing conditions. Operation of the system is quite simple. Just push the auto button, then select a temperature using the temperature control. The system will maintain that temperature automatically using the heating and air conditioning systems. If you'd like to sync up the passenger and driver side temperatures, press the sync control. For maximum efficiency, just let the system work automatically. To switch back to manual operation, just adjust the individual controls to the desired positions. You'll also find the front defrost control in the climate control unit. To optimize cooling when you first turn on the air conditioning, or to keep odors and exhaust out of the cabin, activate air recirculation mode. Here's a quick note though. The recirculation mode and front defrost cannot be used at the same time. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.